Hey guys, so I've gotten some emails about technical issues in this class, and I know there have been a lot of them, and I have really been trying to figure out a way to make them a little bit easier. But some of them, like where to find assignments, shouldn't be as difficult as I think some of you maybe are feeling like they are. So let me go under student view here so that it'll look the same as it does for you guys. So I put everything you need. This is your class. EH 141. This is what the home page should look like when you get here. And you can get to it from your normally you can get to it from your dashboard. So if you were to click dashboard, you'd have your four little classes or your little flipboard looking things, and you'd click on the one that's applicable. Because I'm in student view, I can't view that here. But let me go over here and see courses. Okay, so I'll go to this course. So you can get to it from courses too. Normally all of your courses would be listed here. So you click on courses, click on modules, and everything is organized that you need for a given week in the modules. And they're in order. So for your group module, group presentation module, when you go under modules, it says start here. You click on the start page. And you pull it up. Sorry, that's someone's essay. Okay, so then here, this is the start page. And it walks you through each step that you'll be taking. Here's the schedule and to do. Here's what you need to do. So review the PowerPoints, review the assignments. For 9, 10, 13, and 14, review the assignments, rubrics, and meeting works for the group presentation. Review the PowerPoints for group presentation and listicle format. And then the dates that everything is due here as well. So Monday, October 5th, you had the 9-10 quiz due. Friday, October 9th, you had the discussion board and your initial group meeting form. Monday, October 12th, you had the 13-14 quiz and the second group meeting form. And Friday, the final group presentation was due. So now let's go back over here to the modules, since we've looked at the overall plan for the week, and you'll see that everything is here. So PowerPoints and course materials. This is where you'll need to go for content. So Chapter 9, Communicating in Group PowerPoint. Chapter 10, Group Leadership and Problem Solving PowerPoint. Visual Aids PowerPoint, Oral Style. And then the two listicles on group presentations are here. Then they're organized, any assignments are organized by due date. So due Monday 10-5, you have this quiz due. Due Friday 10-9, group communication and meeting 1 form due. My computer went a weird way. That happens sometimes. Monday the 12th, meeting 2 form. Chapter 13-14 quiz. Friday the 16th, group presentation due, and then Monday, peer review on group presentation. So it's all organized for you right here. I've done it in modules because I know that if you go through like here, if you go to assignments, it does get kind of confusing because everything's kind of jumbled together. And I don't have any control of how this part appears. So it's just, I do have control of how things appear on the modules. So that's why they're in the modules. And everything, any quizzes you have, anything you need to do is here. And is easily locatable from here. So hopefully that helps make this a little bit easier. I know that sometimes certain things like the peer review can be a little bit more challenging, which is why there was an announcement. You can go back and look at different announcements. So here's the peer review walkthrough video right here. If you click on this announcement, you can play this video. Just click on it or pull it up in YouTube, whichever you prefer. And if for some reason it doesn't pull up on your computer or your phone, I've put a summary of the steps on the bottom there as well. So you do have a lot of tools to help you navigate the class. And the way I found that video, in fact, was I just Googled peer review in Canvas. And then here also all of the announcements I've ever made for this class as well. And you can see there's a lot of them. I do try to keep you updated on things. So here's this is a lot of the information you can use. Finally, if you're having trouble figuring out how to use something in Canvas, I don't know why that went, is you can go to the tutorials, and for you as a student, it should automatically say tutorials for student, not for faculty. And this will tell you how to do various things in Canvas that might be confusing for you. If you have trouble with Office, you can also click there and you can find things on Office as well to help you learn how to use like Word or whatever, anything like that. So hopefully that helps kind of walk you through how to use Canvas. I guess I should have done this earlier in the semester, but I didn't have screencast software yet. I wasn't expecting a lot of the technical difficulties that we've had. So I'm hoping that helps a lot and will help you guys be a little bit more caught up and a little bit have better understanding of how to use this software later in the semester. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing your group presentation soon.